Hi everyone, it's Riya. Welcome to my channel. So today I have an exciting tutorial on how to use an eyelash curler. So if you are looking those beautiful fluttery lashes, then you have come to the right place. So let's get started. First thing first, let's go over the tools we will need. You will obviously need an eyelash curler and preferably a good quality one. You can find these at your local drugstore or beauty supply store and even online. I'll leave some of these in the description box below. And for the finishing touch, a mascara of your choice. Now let me show how to properly use an eyelash curler. Let's preparing your lashes. Before we begin, make sure your lashes are clean and free from any makeup or residue. This will ensure a smooth and effective curl. If you're wearing mascara, I recommend removing it before using the curler to avoid any potential damage. Step 2 is heating the curler. It's an optional step. Some people prefer to heat their eyelash curler for better result. To do this, gently warm the curler using a blow dryer for a few seconds. Be sure to check the temperature with your finger to avoid any discomfort or burning. Heating a curler can provide a longer lasting curl, but it's not necessary for everyone. Place your lashes between the top and bottom parts of the curler, positioning it as close as the base of your lashes as possible without pinching your eyelid. Make sure to center off your lashes in the curler for an even curl. Gently close the curler, applying light pressure. Hold the curler in place for about 10 to 15 seconds. You can give it a few gentle squeezes during this time. Remember to avoid any sudden or excessive pressure as this can damage your lashes. If you want a more dramatic curl, you can repeat the process on the middle and the outer sections of your lashes. Just be careful not to overlap too much as it can cause your lashes to look unnatural or clump together. Next step is applying mascara. Once you have achieved your desired curl, it's time to apply mascara. Start from the base of your lashes and wiggle the wand as you move upward. This will help define the separate each lash, enhancing the curl you have created with the eyelash curler. You can apply multiple coats if desired. Now for the finishing touch, after applying mascara, you can gently use the eyelash curler again to give your lashes an extra lift needed. Remember to be gentle and avoid any excessive pressure. To remove the eyelash curler, simply open it fully and release your lashes. Take care not to pull or tug on your lashes as this can cause breakage or discomfort. And that's it, you have learned how to use an eyelash curler like a pro. With a bit of practice, you will be able to achieve beautiful curled lashes in no time. Remember, always prioritize the health and safety of your lashes and never rush the process. Thanks for watching. See you in the next. Bye.